Okay, okay, welcome back again. This is Ademosu Maiwa, but popularly known as Maiwa Samuel. So, welcome to another class, to the class 2. So, today I'll be taking you on how to install Live Server on your Visual Studio Code, because Live Server makes it easier for you. It's it shows you exactly what you are doing live on your web. So let's open our Visual Studio Code. Sorry, this is what I've been doing. So let's just create a folder on our desktop or anywhere you want it to be. Create a folder. You can name it anything. You can name it HTML sandbox. Okay. Then now we can go to our Visual Studio Code. Then click on open folder. Then locate it. It's on my desktop HTML sandbox. Yeah, this is select folder. Then you see that is empty, still loading. Alright, yeah, done. So I sat down to guide you on how to install Live Server. So this is your extension. There are many extensions from here. You can download Python, Bootstrap, Live Server, many things. So when for you to download Live Server, it's not huge, just in kilobytes. I don't think it's up to an MB. So make sure your system is connected to an internet. Then you click on extension. Then you come here. Then search for it. Live Live Server. Once you are connected to the internet, it will show. But this is mine here because it's already installed. I've installed it already. So this is it here. So if you're just saying it, if you have not installed yours, it will be showing install here. But mine is already installed. That why it's showing uninstall. So you just click on your install button. Then this for it to be installed. Then after it's installed, you can go back to you can just close it here. Then create a new file. Then start coding. So in the next class, I will take you on HTML, your header, some other things. So that's all for today.